But imagine what it must have been like before cell phones, or even landlines for that matter, to communicate over distances as far as 3 miles away, village to village. Well, that's where the ancient language of Silbo Gomero comes in. There are a handful of other whistling languages in the world, but none as developed as this. And what looks easy? Trust me, it's not.
Forma, the finger like this, okay? Yes, the lips. My grandfather.
But you need to put the points more into your
like
mouth.
this.
Yeah. And no, but
Stop that laughing.